In this video, I am going to show you how to make fertilizer. To make an aloe vera fertilizer, I will be using these pups that I usually throw in the compost. Chop the aloe vera pups into small pieces. And then mix equal amounts of chopped aloe vera pups and muscovado sugar. I have here 500 grams of chopped aloe vera pups, so I will be adding also 500 grams of muscovado sugar. You can also use molasses instead of sugar. And then place the mixture in a container and let it ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. The longer the fermentation, the better. This is how it looks like after almost 3 weeks. Separate the liquid using a strainer. This is now ready to use. Just mix 1 tablespoon of fermented aloe vera juice per liter of water. You can spray the solution on the leaves or apply it directly to the soil around plants. You can apply this fertilizer weekly.